Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed about the patterns of the rural settlement and now the problems of rural settlement. The villagers have to many problems in villages. Here the lack of education, lack of medical facilities, lack of transportation system, and many others. Then they migrate to the cities. At the found many problems in the rural settlement या villages. Then the villagers migrate towards the urban cities. So what was the problems we discussed about the in 7 points. First here, lack of means of transportation. Lack of means of transportation. Here the source of transportation is very low, and the public transport is not found in the village. Then the people have the private transportation facilities, then they comfort, then otherwise the people have to problem belong to transportation system. Clear? The people have the personal means, a personal source of transportation, they have no problem, but here the public transport problem and the roads here the problem of these rural settlements. Next here, lack of safe drinking water in villages. Here the villagers depends, yeah, rural settlements are depend on the local source of the water like pond wells. Here the government water supply is not, then here they have to use the फ्लोराइड मिक्स वाटर. ठीक है, जो हम बात करें जो विलेजेस में क्या हो रहा है, दे यूज द लोकल वाटर, not here the safe drinking water in the villages. Here the problem of the safe drinking water, and the many diseases are suffering. The villagers or rural settlements are suffering from many disease. देखो safe water यहाँ पे नहीं मिल पा रहा, then here the many disease in the rural settlement. Next is the lack of health services. Lack of health services in the village settlement. Here the in rare conditions, here the hospitals nearby, here the 5 kilometer 10 kilometer normal hospital facilities, and then the serious illness then have to come towards the towards the urban settlement. And the lack of health services found in the rural settlement, they are the major problem of rural settlement. And the lack of power supply they have faced by the villagers or rural settlements here by the farmers. Then farmers for to irrigation, here they use the here power supply, but they have no proper power supply, and here the major problem to lack of power supply. ठीक है, there is shortage as regular power supply in rural settlements. Next here, no employment opportunities in the villages. Here the no employment opportunity, only the time of the agriculture, yeah, main here the occupation is agriculture and the animal husbandry, and the other here not opportunity, then they migrate towards the urban settlement. Next here, lack of information technology and telephone facilities. Here the network problem also, and the IT information technology problem is also in the villages. Then the telephone facilities, the government provide here the telephone facility in information technology, but here the some areas, yeah, some rural settlement have the facility, but the maximum part of the villages have no facility related to IT and the mobile, yeah, telephone facilities. Clear? Next year, lack of higher and technical education institute in village. Here the 1 to 10 and last 12th class student 12th class here standard here the education, then they want to high education, they have to move towards the urban settlement, and by the for the technical education is not in the rural settlement, and they migrate towards the urban settlement. The major problem faced by the this problem is faced by the rural settlements. Clear? So all these are the here problems related to rural settlement. Next here, urban settlement. What is urban settlement? First of all, What is urban settlements? The population which engage in secondary and tertiary activities. Tertiary activities. Secondary and the tertiary activities. Secondary like the manufacturing. Tertiary like the service sector. The population more than approx 50%. More than 50% population are engaged in the secondary and the tertiary activities. The more than 50% population are engaged in the manufacturing service sector, like here service sector. These settlements are called the urban settlement. The economy of the urban settlement depend on the manufacturing industries, transport, trade. Manufacturing industry related to secondary activities, transport, trade, commerce, communication, education, medical, administration, justice. Other services are related to the tertiary activities. So these type of settlements are called the urban settlement. This type of the settlement are called the urban settlement. And in urban settlement, the characteristics of the urban settlement. In urban settlement, the population here, the employment opportunity, employment opportunity, have the high population density in the villages. Yeah, cities found here the high population density, high medical and the education facility also found here. Then the population attracts towards the urban settlement. Weak social relationship in urban settlements. Public transportation also available in the urban settlement. More than 50% of population are engaged in the secondary and the tertiary activities. And there now the time here, the maximum population are engaged in the service sector in tertiary activities. The secondary education, secondary activities population move towards the tertiary service sectors. And now we discuss about the types of urban settlement. In our book, two types. But when the question related to the types of urban settlement, then we write the answer. Types of urban settlement divided in the four parts: city, metropolitan city, conurbation, and the megalopolis. First here the city. Types of the urban settlement. First here city. The population have 1 to approx 10 lakhs. These cities are in 1 to approx 10 lakh. 10 lakh complete नहीं है ना. 1 to 10 lakh including the cities, and where the population approx 50% population are engaged in the tertiary and secondary activities are included in the cities. उसे क्या बोलते हैं? cities बोलते हैं. तो what is here the city? सिटी की हम डेफिनेशन की बात करें, सिटी किसे बोलेंगे? देन पॉपुलेशन 50%, अप्रॉक्स 50% पॉपुलेशन आर एंगेज इन द सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटीज, नॉन प्राइमरी एक्टिविटीज, सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटीज और टर्सरी एक्टिविटीज, and the population here the 1 to 10 lakh. Example here the Bikaner city of the Rajasthan is example of city. Clear? Next, metropolitan city. Then here the population is 10 lakh. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? 10 lakh जब कंप्लीट हो जाएगी ना, तो this city is convert in the metropolitan. 10 lakh complete here the population, then this city is convert in the metropolitan, and this city also called the metro city. और क्या बोलते हैं इसे? Metro city. Like here the Jaipur, Jodhpur are the metropolitan cities. In the population of the metropolitan cities are engaged in the industrial, business, administrative, and the educational activities. Next here the conurbation word is this terminology used by the Patrick Geddes in 1915. Conurbation used by the terminology used by the Patrick Geddes in 1915. What is the conurbation? Then here the metropolitan cities या metro cities increase. Then metro cities increase. This here the cities. Then here the area of the metro cities also increase, and the population of the metro cities also increase. Then this cities increase and the convert in the conurbation. Then here the two metro cities. Here the one metro city and another here the metro cities. Then here the road connect this metro cities, and here the settlement development, and this type of settlement is also city is also called the conurbation. जब क्या हो रहा है? metro city increase हो रही है या two metro city? Correct here. Then increase here the big city, this city is known as the conurbation. Known as the conurbation or terminology used by the Patrick Geddes. Used by the Patrick Geddes. And the example of the conurbation: Delhi, Gurgaon, Chicago, Chicago in USA, Chicago in USA. Also the example of conurbation. Last is megalopolis. Megalopolis. The megalopolis terminology used by the Gene Gottman in 1957. Megalopolis terminology used by the Gene Gottman, and the year is, this year is 1957. But then here the conurbation increase. Conurbation. Conurbation increase. The population of the conurbation increase and the area of the conurbation increase. Then they convert in the megalopolis. Or here two conurbation cities join, and here the whose cities convert the in whose cities. This is known as the megalopolis. ठीक है. It is used by the Gene Gottman, and here the population is approx 7 crore, and the example of this conurbation is example of the megalopolis is Moscow, London, Tokyo, etc. London, Tokyo, etc. Here we discuss about the problems of the rural settlement and the urban settlement. What is urban settlement? The population of the settlements are engaged in the manufacturing, communication, trade, transportation, and other secondary and tertiary activities are included in the urban settlement. Where the approx 50% of the more than 50% of the population are engaged in the secondary and tertiary activities. Clear? And employment opportunity is high in this urban settlement. High population density found, high medical facility found, high education facility found, and here the public transport is available easily. The types of the urban settlement divided in the 4 parts: city, metropolitan, conurbation, and the megalopolis. Here the city, then population is 1 to 10 lakh. Like here the Bikaner is the city, more than 50% of people engaged in the non-primary activities. Metropolitan city also called the metro city. Like here the Jaipur, Jodhpur. Then here the population complete 10 lakh. Then that is called the metropolitan city. Conurbation here then terminology used by the Patrick Geddes in 1915, and then here metropolitan cities increase the area and the population of increased metropolitan cities, or here the two metropolitan cities connect, then here the convert in the conurbation. Like here the Delhi, Gurgaon, and the Chicago also. In 1950, Patrick Geddes used this terminology. And what is megalopolis? Megalopolis terminology used by the Gene Gottman in 1957. Moscow, London, Tokyo is the example of the megalopolis. Then here the population conurbation, population increase and area increase, and this convert in the whose big cities. Then two conurbation cities correct. This called megalopolis. This called the megalopolis. Clear? World city also called megalopolis. World city also called the megalopolis.